In our last video, we talked about why you might need a sourcing agent. Now, let's get practical. China is huge and its manufacturing is highly specialized in region. Knowing where to look for your product can save you tons of time and help you find the best suppliers. So, let's break it down what to buy and which Chinese province are famous for making it. For first one, electronics and tech gadgets. The Guangdong is specialized in Shenzhen or Dongguan. This is the absolute hub for consumer electronics, phone accessories, cricket boards, and smart hardware. The supply chain here is great. And you can also check Jiangsu, Suzhou, Nanjing for higher end and industrial electronics. And second one, clothing and apparel. You can find it in Guangdong, Guangzhou, or Zhejiang because it's a massive hub for all clothing, from fast fashion to high streets, and it also famous for knitwear, sweaters and silk products or fabric factories. And the third one, the shoes or footwear, the main province, you can find it in Guangdong, Guangzhou, also Huizhou, because the Guangzhou it has a very huge variety, especially for fashion leather shoes, and known as shoe capital. And for fourth one, for tool and gifts, you can find it in Guangdong, Shantou or Shenzhen, or Zhejiang Yiwu, you know it, because Guangdong is the heart of Chinese clothing and tool manufacturing, and Yiwu is the home of the world's largest small communities markets, perfect for gifts, noveling, and promotional items. And fifth one, for furniture and home decor. The main province you can find it in Guangdong, Foshan. This is the leading center for modern furniture, especially office and metal glasses furniture. Or Zhejiang, it is specialized in wooden furniture and garden furnitures. And or Shandong, it is strong in solid wood and antique style furniture. So, Guangdong is your go-to for electronic, clothing, and tools. Zhejiang excels in small commodities. For furniture, look at Guangdong, Foshan. Remember, this is a general map. Great factories exist everywhere, but starting your search in this key province will connect you faster with specialized supply chains and competitive prices. If your project involves products from multiple provinces, like electronics from Guangdong and packaging from Zhejiang, that's where a sourcing agent can really help coordinate everything. Let us know in the comments what products you are sourcing.